Okay, you're going to want to go to Constella and click our school name there to get the main page and click the latest Bandit Fit-a-thon post. Go ahead and copy and paste the link to get to the fundraising website. And that's going to take you straight to our school's main fundraising page. You're going to scroll down to the parent registration information and click that link right there so that you can register. All right, now go through the registration process here. Your email in, set a password, and you will see that the school identifier code down below is already entered if you use that direct link. You're going to put your student name, and then you're going to click the drop-down menu to find their teacher name and agree to the terms. All right, you're registered now. You can scroll down and find your student page. Click the Add Photo button to get them set up on their profile here. It might make you crop it so that it fits a little bit better. Now your student web page is all set, but you're able to go in and click Edit Web Page. And here you can go into this message part. Our Bandit Fit-a-thon team has already put in a great message, but you're able to type in something more personal here if you'd like to edit it and make it more into the tune of what your student's going to be doing for their Fit-a-thon or anything like that. Scrolling back down, you will see where you can record your fitness minutes. It's that purple button there. You click Add, type in the number of minutes that your student participated on that day, and save, and you are all set with that. At any time you can jump back through the pages, going back to your fitness minutes log, back to the Bandit Fit-a-thon page where you can edit your web page, and back to your children page. The top right, you can also click Add Student if you have more than one student. Clicking the blue button for Student Web Page, you'll see what other people will see when they visit to donate. They'll have a tally of how many minutes, a total fundraising amount that you've gotten, and that is where your personal message will show up. You can also click the School Event Web Page button there again to be brought back to where all of the information is about what our fundraiser is all about, our sponsors, and everything that you need to know there. Clicking the red donate button, you can put a donation in, send a little message, and that will show up on their profile. For other people to donate and to share this, you go to your student's webpage, and on that top section, you can share it on Facebook, Twitter, through email, through text message. It will post a direct link to your student's website for fundraising.